For years, there have been products that boost instant and permanent results for drastic changes to skin tone. However, when expert dermatologists examine these claims, they find that they are either medically unsafe or ineffective in the long term. Miracle Skin Lightening creams contain harsh chemicals that cause severe side effects and may aggravate the problem further. The key to getting an even and balanced skin tone is knowledge. Your skin can become dull due to hormonal disturbances, sunspots and tanning, acne, aging, nutritional deficiencies. Simple lifestyle changes can go a long way to improve your skin tone and complexion. Eat a balanced diet, increase your water intake, remove makeup at night, use products for your skin type, follow a regular skincare regime, exercise regularly, use a sunscreen. Your doctor will give you a customized solution based on your skin type, cause and the severity of pigmentary concern. A skin lightening procedure may involve chemical peels, laser toning. These can be standalone or combination treatments based on your condition. Here is what our clients have to say. For the best pigmentation treatments, visit Oliva Skin and Hair Clinic.